phones are not permitted. Please keep in mind, Busch Gardens is not responsible for items left in the station. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you.
Okay guys, Alpengeist 2020. This is my second ride. First time doing it front row though this year. There's literally nobody here. Like the capacity is still under 1,000, but there's nobody in the park like at all. So yeah, it was almost a zen ride. 2 other people walked on though, so yeah. Also, you can see Pantheon from this lift. I'll try to get like a shot or so, maybe if I use my wrist mount later on. But I wanted to do front row POV for you guys for 2020. It's running a little rough from the first ride. Other than that though, hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally the loudest chambers I think I've heard in a long time. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Woo-hoo-hoo! Holy crap. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah. Oh, it's way better in the front row. Oh my gosh, it's smooth as butter. Smooth as butter, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, I take it all back. It's smooth. Gotta sit in the front row. So good. Oh, awesome ride. Whew. That was too good. Hope you all did enjoy that video. Once again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you want to join the O Squad. It's free. All you have to do is click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching once again, guys. Till next time. Peace out. That was so good. So good.